Hello everyone, welcome to Sarambh Knowledge Park, a place where learning is not only easy but also practical and career oriented. If you want to upgrade your skill, stay updated with technology, and build a successful career, then you are in the right place. Let's begin this exciting learning journey together. Sarambh Knowledge Park is a learning platform designed to provide real world knowledge and practical training. Our focus is not just on theory but on developing skills that can help you in your job, career, and business. Every topic is explained in simple step by step manner, making learning easy for everyone. Our mission is to empower students, freshers, and working professionals with industry relevant skill. In today's competitive world, having a degree alone is not enough. Continuous learning and upgrading your skill are essential for long term success. That's why Saram Knowledge Park is created to help you stay ahead in your career. What you will learn on this channel, you will learn software development, manual and automation testing, MS Excel, computer skill, AI tools and ChatGPT, insurance knowledge, interview preparation, education and career guidance. Every topic will be explained with practical examples and in a beginner friendly way so that anyone can learn with confidence. Why choose us? The internet is full of information, but finding the right information is often difficult. At Saram Knowledge Park, we provide practical knowledge, real world example, industry experience, easy to understand explanation, career focused learning. Our goal is not just to teach you, but to help you apply your knowledge in a real life situation and grow professionally. Who should join? This channel is for students, job seekers, IT professionals, business owners, lifelong learners. Anyone who wants to learn new technologies and develop valuable skill is welcome here. Saram Knowledge Park is built for every learner who believe in continuous growth. Learning journey. Our learning journey is simple and effective. Learn, practice, upgrade, build your career, achieve success. First, gain knowledge, then practice what you learn, upgrade your skills, build a stronger career, and finally achieve your goals with confidence. The topics we are going to cover on this channel, you shall regularly find video on artificial intelligence, software development and testing, Excel related, education, computer, cloud, ChatGPT, insurance, and many emerging technologies. Our mission is to keep you informed, skilled, and future ready. Our vision is to make Saram Knowledge Park one of the most trusted learning platforms. We aim to help millions of learners gain practical skill, build successful careers, and achieve their dreams. We believe that sharing knowledge creates opportunity and transform lives. In the upcoming weeks, you can expect software testing tutorials, Excel masterclass, insurance awareness program, career guidance, AI tools, technology updates, interview preparation, and many more knowledge packed videos designed to help you success. We don't just want subscriber. We want to build strong learning community where people learn together, share knowledge, inspire one another and grow together. Be a part of this journey and let's create a future filled with learning and success. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Saram Knowledge Park. If you believe in continuous learning and want to take your knowledge and skill to the next level, subscribe to our channel today. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest video. Remember, learn today, grow forever. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.